So the fault goes, people say it cuts the stadium in half. It actually does. The main trace of the fault comes in at XX where we looked, and it goes out down here again. So that's where the fault actually runs under the building. The stadium was built in pieces, however, and each segment is supported separately from the other segments. This part of the stadium is built into the hillside. That's where the students sit. We tell everybody that's the safest part of the stadium. And all of these little green dots are places where they found cracks of one sort or another. Diagonal cracks that you see leading off of the tops of the windows are the kind of cracks that you expect when you start shearing the structure. 2 years ago, they were allowed to dig a trench here to find the trace of the fault. And they actually found this piece here, which looks a little bit bluish. And you can see the slicken sides if you look at it carefully. So this is a cross section then of that big trench. And this is where that picture was taken with the slicken slides and the bluish soils where they think they can actually see movement. So they finally found what they think of is the active fault there. And there are at least 2 places where deformation is taking place. How are they going to retrofit
what are they going to do?
What I heard is they're going to lift the stadium up. They're going to solidify underneath, and then they'll put a plastic tarp on it and a plastic tarp on the bottom of the building, and then when the earthquake happens, the ground will just slide underneath the stadium.